Everybody, today we're going to be reviewing the lithium trim cubes. They are, as it says here, permanently restores and protects all plastic trim. And I have the perfect candidate here. It's just cleaning up this car, and thought we'd knock out all of this plastic. So I've never used these, but I have used the Cerakote trim wipes, and I've had really good success with those. So figure we give these a shot. This one comes with the pre-wash spray and the trigger directions, some gloves, and it looks like we have 4 trim cube packs here. So I already have gloves on, so we won't use those, but there's the directions here. Step 1 would be to use the prep spray, and then open the packets and apply the coating here. So we'll go ahead and get we'll get this set up. I'll grab a rag and we'll prep the space. All right, I've got the sprayer on. I sprayed a little bit into the towel here, but I'll go ahead and apply it here. Get this nice and cleaned up. All right, got that. Now it looks like it's dried off pretty well. One thing it does say to open this away from your face and do not breathe in. So I think I'm gonna go ahead, because these last quite a while, I'm gonna go ahead and prep the rest of this area here and get it all ready before we go ahead and apply this. Okay, I thought I'd take you around the car first. I've cleaned all the trim that we're going to be using the cubes on. So we'll be doing both sides, the front, lower, and the rear bumper there. So let's get it set back up here and go ahead and open up this packet here. All right, so it's very saturated here. I can definitely have some weight to it. I can feel it. Let's go ahead and very easy to use. Just lightly. No pressure, just wiping it. That's coming out on the camera, yeah. still just applying light pressure. I'm not pushing very hard. There still seems to be plenty left. It's really nice. I'll go ahead and finish going around the vehicle, and then I'll bring you back in to have a final look. Alright, I just finished up with all the black trim. The cubes worked excellent. I used up all 4 of them on the car. Everything's come out looking really nice. It's still drying, so those little bit of streak marks will disappear. I was able to do the mirrors and the cowl part. I'll use some of the Stoner's Trim Shine Spray to get into those real fine spots. Definitely these lithium trim cubes. I think I like these better than the Cerakote wipes. I think they're a little easier to use. Thanks for watching.